Thanks for clicking this video. Just a quick story before we start the actual vlog. Last year in the month of December, I went to visit Aurangabad with my friends and I decided to make a travel vlog for my channel, and then this happened. The places we wanted to visit were all closed. We didn't get to explore much. I got disappointed and I scrapped the idea of making the travel vlog. But this year, I decided to give this another shot, and I couldn't think of better place than Konkan region. Konkan region is not very far from where I live. It was within my budget. It is a very beautiful place to explore and I have never been there before. So I made a plan. I asked few of my friends, but none of them could make it. I was left alone, but I was very firm on my decision. So I went solo. I had fun. I shot as much as I could. I made few of mistakes. I took care of my physical and mental health, and I happily returned. So without any further ado, let's start with the vlog. So I started my journey 4 am in the morning by swinging in the middle of an empty street. You should try this. No one to watch, no fear of judgment, just you and darkness of empty street. Then I took a cab to Kalyan railway station. I boarded the train and my actual journey started with nothing to see due to foggy environment. I had to get down at Mangaon because my ticket was up to Mangaon only. Otherwise, TTE would have caught me and asked me to pay the fine, which is not fine at all. Then I took a bus which dropped me off at Masra. Strange name, difficult to pronounce. I know, right? Well, I wasn't even halfway there. I had to take a tum-tum, which is also known as dukkar in some parts of Maharashtra. By the way, dukkar means pig. Anyway, tum-tum till Borli Panchayatan. Upon reaching Borli Panchayatan, I decided to have a vada pav. Not because I was hungry, but I couldn't resist the smell coming from a nearby vada pav vendor. And then I had one of the best vada pavs I've ever eaten in my entire life. Shulk matra 10 rupees. Almost there. So I had to wait 10 minutes for another bus which was finally going to take me to my first destination. Behold, Divyagarh. So I have just checked into this cottage called Shivansh Cottage, and I will be taking a bath first and then we will move forward with the plan. So I'm done with the bath now. I'll get dressed and then I'll give you a tour around. And then I went out for lunch and did some Reiki. Have you ever seen a black cock before? I mean the bird, because I had never seen one before. And then I stumbled upon this ancient beautiful temple of Lord Shankar, Bhagwan Shivji, Bholenath. I saw some beautiful houses. After having my lunch, I came back to my room and I slept for about an hour or something, and when I woke up, it was evening, which is the best time to go to the beach according to me. Honestly, I was really tired from that long ass journey, and the view was really beautiful, so I didn't capture much. Also, I didn't want it to miss the sunset, so I just sat there to experience it myself, thinking about my excess amount of knowledge that I have gained so far. And after sundown, I again came back to my room. So I just had a great bath of nearly 30 minutes, and now I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to chant some evening shlokas and do some meditation. And trust me when I say this, after a long tiring day, a hot shower and meditation hits you differently. And if you haven't tried, I strongly and highly recommend you. Give it a go, maybe you will feel differently, you never know. Anyway, the purpose of the chanting these evening shlokas is to stay positive, bring positive, and one of them is Shubham Karoti, which is a welcoming gesture to Lord Goddess Lakshmi, not Lord, my mistake. Anyway, so I'm going to get dressed, then I'm going to chant some shlokas and then do some meditation, and then we'll see what comes next before dinner. शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा क्षत्रबुद्धिविनाशाय आत्मबुद्धि प्रकाशाय दीपक ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दिव्य दिव्य दीपत्कारकाली कुंडलमोती आरती तेल कपसाची वाह दिवा जळलो मध्यंतरा घरातली घरापिढा बाहेर जाऊ बाहेरची लक्ष्मी घरात येऊ ये ग लक्ष्मी बैस ग वाले चे घर तुला साजे दिवा लावला तुळशी बशी जेड पडला विष्णू पाशी. So the chanting and the evening shlokas are done, and now it's time for meditation. And just in case if you're wondering how I'm going to meditate, so I've been following this Netflix series called Headspace Guide to Meditation, and it's really beautiful. Just 7 episodes and 20 minutes long, 10 minutes of explanation followed with 10 minutes of guided meditation. So if you're someone who doesn't believe in meditation, or who has never done meditation before, or maybe who doesn't want to do meditation, just listen to any of this episode for just 2 to 3 minutes. The narrator's voice is so soothing that you will follow along, that you will just give in. Trust me, because I did. A funny thing happened after the meditation. I just went to sleep. I don't know how, but I was just lying here and I just dozed off. And then the owner came in and he woke me up because I had ordered dinner earlier. So I just went and had my dinner, and now I'm back and I'm feeling sleepy again and I'm tired, and I literally have no energy at all to vlog or to explain or to anything. So that's it for the day 1, and I'm sorry. We'll do more activities on day 2. We'll try at least. Bye, good night, have fun, subscribe and like, please, it really makes a difference. Peace out. Jai Hind.